So, a small story for you, my dear friends. So, let us enjoy this story. Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes and insects. They all lived together happily. They roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. The peacocks were very proud of their dances but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. See, the elephants were enjoying the fish swimming. The pythons, which were blessed with long bodies, spoke well of the fine fur of the flat-footed rabbits. The pythons were talking to rabbits, flat-footed, small. The tiny ants, which were always busy, tickled the dark buffaloes. So you can enjoy the fun here. They often held musical evenings in a large open field. So they used to enjoy a lot. The elephant and the deer danced. The mynas and the parrots sang. The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics. They called the moon and his friends, the stars, to be guests of honor at their musical evenings. So even not only they are enjoying, even they used to call the stars, moons and everybody for their musical evenings. If the story is going on so soft, there won't be any maza, there won't be any masti. So there's some villain must be entered, right? So one day a jackal entered the forest. The jackal, he was dirty, dangerous and very cunning too. He told the elephants, "You are the biggest animals in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrels and rabbits?" He poisoned the minds of the peacocks, saying, "You are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise the mynas? You are the loveliest. Then why do you want to praise the mynas?" The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. Of course, these are the qualities of a jackal. Very cunning mindset and very dirty, dangerous mindset. Gradually, all the animals began suspecting one another. So till that moment, till the arrival of the jackal, they enjoyed a lot. They held musical evenings, they enjoyed, they did everything, the fun, masti, maza, everything. But after the arrival of the jackal, and suddenly the scene was changed. They started suspecting one another. Earlier they had lived together, slept together and roamed around the forest together. Now they started to put up boundaries and build fences around their property. This is my property, you should not come. This is mine, don't come. So like that they started suspecting each other. And they moved about individually or with their own group. See the difference. Earlier they were very good, they were friends. Now what happened? Now they are moving everywhere individually or with their groups. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to help them. Why? Why they did not come? Because now they were suspecting each other. Now they became enemies. And one by one, the little ones disappeared. So who was succeeded here? The jackal was succeeded. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. So the forest slept, all the animals were slept. Because they were afraid. There were no more musical evenings, the moon was sad. And the moon started crying. The moon cried. The moon thought for a while, then moon decided. The moon started thinking, thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. Moon has come down and in the form of a sadhu. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. Tales of woe means sorrows, sufferings. They cried, sobbed and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest, and the sadhu listened to them. What the animals said? Because you only, because of you only. Look, I did not talk. Then what happened to you? You should have talked to me, no? So like that they were showing their annoyance. They were showing their sadness. They were showing their feelings. and the sadhu listened to all their woes. Then sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. He visited the pythons and the viper and had a long chat with them. He spoke to them for a long time. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He played with bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. So other side, what the sadhu was doing, he was making everybody happy and unite. But what about the jackal, the villain? The jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. He did not want animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. What the jackal was thinking, now he wants to attack the sadhu. One day the animals, insects and birds held an emergency meeting and they anonymously decided to approach sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. The sadhu, who had been lodging nearby, was waiting there. Came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. The sadhu himself asked the jackal, take me today for your meal. The jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. So jackal took the revenge. The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. They were afraid that the angry jackal would appear again the next day. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. What they saw surprised them. What did they see? Why did they surprise? They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing and sleep in peace. They broke down the fences which they had built. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. So this is a small story. So don't listen what others says. Especially maybe in our group only, among us only some cruel, cunning people lives with us. So be careful about them. Okay? I believe that you have enjoyed this small story called Peace and Harmony. Thank you.